Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about how can we unpair Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So guys, how can you unpair it? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video man, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. So once you can see your Wi-Fi setting, guys, tap here, and as you can see this type of setting, as you want to add any network fans, you can add from here, and as you can enter password, and as you can pair, and as you can see this scanner option, guys, you want to scan any Wi-Fi, you can scan from here, then as you can connect your Wi-Fi. So guys, you can see guys, we have paired this 5G network, and guys, right side icon, guys, tap here and guys click on this, remove this network. So then tap here to unpair the, so guys, Wi-Fi will unpair, and guys, you can see we cannot use this Wi-Fi network. If we use and guys you want to use, so you will have to enter password again, then guys you can pair this Wi-Fi network. So like that guys, you can unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video. Bye guys.